Baba uMchunu, baba Senzo Mchunu, hlonishwa. Inkaba yakho ilapha kwaMandlakazi. Inkaba yakhe ilapha kwaMandlakazi kwaNkweme. Ukhulele lapha waze waba yibhungu baba uMchunu. Uyazi ukuthi lapha kwaNongoma kwaMandlakazi kuyaxoliswa. Uma kukhona into osuyenzile ibonwa ngabantu ukuthi iyiphutha kuyaxoliswa. Ngeke ulunge baba uMchunu. Uyabona even abantu abakubhalelayo lobu bufakazi obuhambisa lapha kwi-commission. Abathandi izwe libe nenkinga. Abantu bakhathele baba uMchunu ukuthi izwe libe senkingeni kanje. Understand bantu baka ANC. Asizondi nina, asizondi iANC. Sikhathele indlela eniphethe ngayo izwe. Sifuna izwe libuyele libe yizwe liyilo ngaphambi kokuthi niphathe nina. Kodwa ngoba umdala kangaka nje baba uMchunu ulokhu nje ukhombisa uqamba manga odwa, uqamba manga usho ukuthi laba abantu abawu70 million lapha eSouth Africa ababoni ukuthi uqamba manga. Vele nje uxolise baba uMchunu, ukhohlwe indaba ukuthi ufuna ukuba umongameli. Khohlwa ileyo nto uxolise uphume phela. Finish macingwane. Finish. Ungahamba ubiza amakhosi uwangcolisa, uwafaka einkingeni zakho nani. Vele uxolise nje macingwane. Uphume uphele nje kulento yepolitiki, ucasho uhambe uyohlala ngemuva, kuyohamba sikhohlwe, ubuye kuzoba yenye into. Ngeke kodwa kulokhu nje ozama ukumaintaina, ngeke ukwazi ukumaintaina baba uMchunu. Vele uxolisa baba uMchunu. Finish. Amanga ngeke aza kuwinisa, ngeke uwine, uyaqhubeka uyayingcolisa. Xolisa. Finish.
Well, people are saying the reason why Upela Mthakathi he is busy fixing the country, he wants to be the next president of South Africa. No wonder why he's fighting Senzo Mchunu, guys. Some are saying the right person to be a president is Jacinta Mangobese, to be the first female president of South Africa. Last year, people were saying he is the right man to be the president of South Africa, while others are saying no man, let's just leave it to the ANC. There's nothing, no political party can change anything. South Africa, it's already gone. We must just accept what the ANC will lead it forever, guys. So there's a lot of division when it comes to the situation, guys. It was alleged Senzo Mchunu wants to campaign for the next president of South Africa. We are not sure. He's never came out to say he wants the priest to become the president of South Africa. It is just rumors for now, guys. So who's going to be the next president of South Africa, guys? I'm not sure. There are people that are saying, even still Ramaphosa. People are saying, even if we give Julius Malema to become the next president of South Africa, nothing will change. Everybody just wants to eat it, guys. People are here for their own benefits. Upela Mthakathi, he might want to become the president of South Africa, but the next 5 years, he will do the same. Obviously, he also wants to benefit, guys. No one is here to fight for the country. People are fighting for themselves. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.